I would like to wish you a happy birthday and I miss you. Yeah.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Ang masama, ikaw ang mabuti, baby.
Mga kababayan.